Hi, I'm Alicia with Arizona Property Brokerage. Today we're going to talk about evicting a bad tenant. If you're an investment property owner, chances are you've been here. Typical evictions don't come out of nowhere, and there's a lot of emotion involved when you've been helping somebody. In the past 13 years, what I've learned is that the best help you can provide a tenant in need is tough love. Teaching somebody that they're responsible for providing for their family is invaluable. So oftentimes, as an investment property owner, you're seen as somebody with lots of money. You're not seen as a human or a person. You're a business with deep pockets, and how dare you throw my family out on the street? Regardless of the situation, these are the steps that we take. The most important step you'll take as a property owner when dealing with a less than ideal tenant is issuing a notice. Whether you do anything with this notice or not, it is the most important thing you'll do. Legal notices set a standard for tenants. They often respect them more than anything, and it sets a tone for your relationship. This is your business. We're going to do things in a way a business would. If we have to move forward with eviction proceedings, we turn the file over to a local attorney who specializes, and by specialize, I mean this is all they do, in Landlord Tenant Law. The attorney handles everything. They file paperwork and they obtain a court date. Once we reach our court date, as long as we have the proper documentation, we've served the proper notices, etc., we typically receive a judgment. The judgment then gives the tenant 5 days to pay, depending on the circumstances, of course. And after that time, you can order a writ of restitution. Once the writ has been issued, a constable is assigned. We meet the constable at the property with a locksmith and obtain possession of the property back. 9 times out of 10, the tenants are gone at this time. Occasionally, there still are tenants living there. This process will cost you approximately $400 depending on the attorney you use, plus the cost of the locksmith. This is where things get tricky. Sometimes the tenants are still living in the home when the constable shows up. Other times, the tenants have left behind possessions because they have nowhere else to take them. This is rocky territory. There's a lot of laws surrounding landlords and tenants in Arizona. This is why we recommend you hire a professional property management company to take care of these issues on your behalf. You won't regret it.